Work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 I'm in the cafe, my da, da, da.
Alright, so this is a 360 lace frontal wig. This wig is perfect for someone who wants to do like a bun or a ponytail or updo look, because this wig has lace in the front and in the back, and it's very simple to remove the lace and even install this wig. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut the sides so that you can remove the back of the lace, and then go ahead and put the wig on like normal. Now, one thing about RpgHair is they have really stepped it up with their wigs. I have to give it to them. So this particular wig, baby, check out the hairline first of all. Y'all know I love me a nice pre-plucked wig that looks like it's been plucked. Y'all know I love me a HD skin blended lace. Like, I love all that good stuff. So this wig has an HD clean hairline, so meaning it's going to mimic more of your natural hairline, and the lace is going to blend into your skin, and it's going to look like this is your goddamn hair, okay?
No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, and I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, and my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be.
So now that y'all have gotten the tea on the lace and the hairline and just all of that good stuff that makes this wig just superb, now it is time to show you girls the technique that I use to install my wig, which is pretty much the same in every video, but I did switch it up a little bit in case you have not seen a few of my recent videos. So anyways, I like to go in with some holding spray and applying that holding spray directly on a makeup brush, and this just gives a more precise application where I'm putting the product exactly where I want it to be, and then I begin to brush the product into the hairs, making sure the product is going directly on the lace so that I don't have like hairspray on the lace and on the hair, and then the hair becomes crunchy and hard, and girl, just creating a mess sometimes. So yeah, girl, 2023 is here, and I'm just not doing it no more. So I'm going to be applying my wig applications like so, and of course EBN is what I use to install my wigs. And just check out this hairline, y'all. One thing I say about RpgHair is, girl, they are not going to fail me when it comes to a pre-plucked wig, okay? So I'm going to be using some scissors to cut the lace, and of course going in a zigzag motion, stuff that we already know, okay?
You work, 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 work. You see me do me da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line.
Okay, girls, so now the wig is pretty much installed and ain't going nowhere. Now it is time to get into the styling part. So I'm going to be doing a curve C part with some edges on the wig, of course. So yeah, girl, the main thing with this particular style is just getting the hair as flat as possible, which is not going to be a problem with this wig because it's not like a super thick hair texture to begin with, and the texture is like a light Yaki texture, so it's super easy to make this hair flat without having to do a whole lot.
I'm in the cafe, my da, 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 da. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you
hot, girl. Your body so poison, let you move on slow motion, bet it that way. Maintenant go ya doum jeune potion. Let you work. Let you descend be babli. Let even be dirt. Let you brasser longtemps couillon oula. Baby, do the work.
To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk a line. I'm in the character, my
Ou c'est yon bad gal, yon real from black gal. Tourne yon bad man, tellement son hot gal. Your body so poison, let you move on slow motion, bet it that way. Maintenant go ya doum jeune potion. Let you work. Let you descend be babli. Let even be dirt. Let you brasser longtemps couillon oula. Baby, do the work.
To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk a line. Work. Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me better work. When you walk a line. I'm in the character, my drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my passion. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and hell nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that.
Okay, girls, so now it is time to see if this lace melted and blended into the skin. And baby, where is the lace, please? Unclockable. All right, so now it is time to make sure all the hairs is in place and start to style my baby hairs. I did go in and clip the ends on this wig. I personally feel like the wig looks so much better when the ends is clipped and everything just looks clean and neat. So now I'm about to go in and start styling my baby hairs, making sure I have a majority of my hair pushed back or away from my face, because I definitely want the swoops to be swimming, baby. So what I'm going to do is take a small curling iron. I think this is called like a pixie curling iron or something like that. I got it from Amazon, actually. Girl, y'all know Amazon got everything we need. I probably should do like an Amazon haul for your wigs or something like that, because girl, Amazon got us for sure. So now I am going in and basically getting my swoop on, honey. I'm finna just start swooping and swooping and swooping, following my fingers right, my fingers following right behind the swoopage, okay, until I get the exact like look that I'm going for with my baby hairs. Now you can definitely make your baby hairs like not as like coming out as much as mine is coming out, you can definitely just make them like smaller swoops. But girl, I wanted a big ass country swoop. Okay, I think it's just so cute. I love it. I'm loving how it's turning out so far. Y'all know I'm crazy. So basically I'm just making sure I push the edges of the baby hairs, or the ends of the baby hairs, into the actual hairline. So it's also helping to mold the hair where the hair is going to stay in place as well. And then when it comes to my sideburns, I like to curl inward because it just helps with everything to lay flat.
You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart.
So this is pretty much the final look, y'all. I love how this wig turned out, and this texture is so bomb. Like, hands down, favorite texture. RpgHair has done it again. So I'm going to make sure I leave all the purchasing details and the rest of the tea about this wig below in the description bar. Make sure you check out this company. I think they got a sale going on right now, so definitely get your hands on this particular wig because you will not be disappointed. Bye girls. See y'all in the next, of course, wig video. Bye.